Hey everyone, Kyle at Prolux here, and in today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing, assembly, and overview of our brand new Prolux tool vacuum. You don't want to miss this one, so stay tuned. Alright, so right off the bat, here is the box. We have two different models. We have a standard and then a pro. This one's going to be the standard. Got a QR code, some other information. So we're going to go ahead and cut the tape on this box. Got a cardboard insert, and then here we have tool vacuum. All right, so we got the tool vac unboxed. Now we need to remove the top lid and find all the goodies inside. So you're gonna have the latch on the front and the rear. Undo that, and then you can pull the top off. Inside, you're gonna find the duster brush, the upholstery tool, the crevice. You have a battery charger, the onboard tool caddy, the hose clips, and then the manual. So now we're going to put top of the tool vac back on. We're going to latch it down. And now we're going to assemble it. So we're going to start off with the hose clips. They look just like this. You're going to want their larger curve near the front. Okay, so now I'll hold the hose into place. Next is going to be the onboard tool caddy, which if you're looking at the front of the unit, it's going to be on the right side. Right here. This slides on, and then you can put your tools on, like so. And then now we just have to install the battery, so just lift up on this clear cover, and then slide the battery in. You'll hear it click, letting you know it's in place. And that is how you quickly assemble the Prolux tool vac. So now we have it unboxed and assembled. Let's cover this beautiful little machine. All right, so let's cover the Prolux tool vac, travel vac, handy vac, whatever you want to call this thing. This thing is light, even with the battery and tools installed. Weighs about 6 pounds. You have a washable HEPA filter. Thing can also be used for wet pickup. So if you have a spill, you can clean that up. So it's wet and dry. It has a brushless motor. It has 37 CFM on the low speed and then 40 CFM on the high speed. So 2 speeds. Before I start the vacuum, let you hear it. Let me go over the decibel rating. On the low speed, it's 79. Then on the high speed, it's 81. So you have a nice gray power button, and then you have a speed indicator light at the top. So let's go ahead and turn it on. This is the low speed. That is the high speed. You have a hose that can stretch out to 5 feet. Crush proof, very durable hose. It has a blower feature. So where the hose is originally plugged in, there's 2 little icons. The arrow going in is going to be for suction. The arrow going out is going to be blower feature. So undo this rubber cap, plug it in. It's now a blower. So that is really cool. Onboard tools, like you just saw earlier, you have a duster brush, upholstery tool, and a crevice. This thing works wonders on vehicles. If you're going on a road trip and you have kids like myself, toddlers make messes, but this thing, throw it in the trunk, boom, clean any mess up. The water lift, you have 47 on the low speed, so not bad, but then you have 77 on the high speed, so this thing has plenty of water lift for how small it is. You get a charger, plugs on your normal wall outlet with indicator lights, just like any power tools or line equipment you can buy at the store. And then you have the battery. has indicator lights, has our logo on the side, and this is going to be a 2000 milliamps per hour battery, 18 volt DC. The warranty on this thing is pretty sweet. You have 3 years on the motor and then 1 year on the body. If you have any issues with this vacuum, please email us at service@proluxcleaners.com. We'll either have you send it in for warranty. By the way, we cover warranty shipping both ways along with any parts and labor, or if it's something simple like a tool caddy, tool, hose, a latch, the hose clips on the back, battery, whatever it is, just get in touch with us. We'll get you replacement parts or we'll have you send it in. So this is a new product, kind of like the pet grooming vac. We only have 30 in stock right now, but our largest shipment is going to be arriving soon. Do not miss out on this thing. I use all of our products because I make videos on them. The Garage Vacuum, or Wet and Dry Professional Garage Vacuum, and the Triton are my absolute favorite vacuums. They are just bulletproof, especially the Triton. That thing is so small, but the suction on that is amazing. But this little guy right here is gonna blow you away. Do not miss out on this. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below, or you can send us an email at service@proluxcleaners.com. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, this is just an intro to the vacuum, unboxing, assembly, and overview. We'll have more clips using this thing, whether it's for dry pickup in cars, wet pickups, anything you can think of, this little bad boy can do it. Again, if you have any questions, you can email us at service@proluxcleaners.com. Don't forget to check out our social media. We're on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate you guys. I'm Kyle Prolux. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.